Keeping your pool pristine can be a chore, but robotic cleaners like the Beatbot Sora 10 promise to simplify things dramatically. This model boasts impressive cleaning capabilities and smart features designed to give you back your time. We're diving deep into what makes it stand out for your pool maintenance needs. Check the link in the description for the best price. First up, let's talk about the Beatbot Sora 10's core cleaning capabilities. This machine focuses on powerful, efficient debris removal and comprehensive pool coverage. This robotic pool cleaner is designed to tackle a variety of cleaning challenges. From powerful suction to wide-ranging coverage, it aims to keep your pool spotless without constant supervision. It promises to capture all sorts of debris across diverse pool environments. The Beatbot Sora 10 delivers 800 gallons per hour of suction, which is a powerful rate designed to efficiently capture leaves, sand, and other debris without clogging the system. With an impressive 300 minutes of continuous cleaning, this robot can cover pools up to 229 square feet in a single session, minimizing the need for multiple charges. The Sora 10 tackles all areas, including pool floors, walls, and the waterline. Plus, it handles shallow sections and tanning ledges down to 12 inches effortlessly. Its large 5-liter debris basket holds up to 650 leaves, which significantly reduces how often you need to empty it during a cleaning cycle. Overall, the Sora 10 offers robust cleaning power and impressive coverage, handling a wide range of pool sizes and debris types with ease. Moving beyond raw cleaning power, let's consider the practical aspects of owning and operating the Beatbot Sora 10. Convenience and peace of mind are key for any robotic cleaner. This chart explores how user-friendly the Beatbot Sora 10 truly is, focusing on aspects like handling, smart features, and the overall durability it brings to your pool maintenance routine. These elements are crucial for making your life easier. Engineered with a balanced internal structure, the pool cleaner offers an agile and noticeably lighter handling experience, simplifying every interaction when lifting or retrieving it. Its smart waterline parking feature brings the cleaner to the edge for easy retrieval, and you can control it via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth using an intuitive app. The Sora 10 is fully saltwater safe and corrosion resistant, backed by a generous 2-year protection plan, giving you long-term reliability and peace of mind. Considering its robust feature set, including extensive cleaning capabilities and smart conveniences, the current price represents a strong value, especially compared to its original list price. From effortless handling to smart controls and robust protection, the Sora 10 is designed for a highly convenient and reassuring ownership experience. The Beatbot Sora 10 offers a compelling package for pool owners looking for comprehensive and convenient cleaning. Its long battery life, versatile cleaning modes, and user-friendly features like waterline parking make it a standout choice. While some navigation details are not fully clear, its strong suction and 2-year warranty offer solid peace of mind, making this a smart investment for a cleaner pool. Bez Reviews finds it a strong contender,